What's up, everyone? Thanks for tuning in. And today, got a video for you, obviously. And I'm just gonna be vlogging my life. I think this is gonna be a new series on my channel where I just kind of vlog my days during quarantine. And that's basically what it is. It's gonna be another quarantine day. I'm not gonna do like these all the time. Maybe like once a month or so. And yeah, hope you enjoy. What's up, everyone? Just cruising here on my longboard. Going down a hill. It's pretty fun. Ooh. So tomorrow we're going on a 4-day camping trip up in Arrowhead. And that's gonna be fun. Right now we're just going down to get our tents, all the supplies we're gonna need, and yeah, that should be fun. I'm gonna probably vlog a little bit of that as well. So, see you down. Alright, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, you might get it, you might get it!
That was so close. 3, 2, 1.
Yeah!
Let's go! Heading to, whatever it's called. We're heading to Arrowhead. We got all the junk in here and all that stuff in the back. See you there. Ladies and gentlemen, we have made it to our final destination. It took us like 3 hours to get up here, and now we're just gonna set up our campground and everything that we need to do it. We might go down to the lake today, do some fishing or swimming or something like that, but I'll let you know if we do.
I had to give it, if I just gave it a knock, it would come out.
Everyone, just got back from our run.
Heyo.
Everyone did a 2.4. I did like a 6 or something.
Wow, way to just out me to the whole world for not running as far.
No, but she did a good job. And now we're just making some bacon and eggs for breakfast.
Woo.
Mom and Dad are still sleeping. They're gonna wake up. They'll be happy. Listen to that sizzle. Just kidding. Rate your breakfast 1 to 10.
I didn't have to cook it? 10.
10.
I have it. I'm a good cook. With Evelyn. So, we were gonna go canoeing, but we got some good news and bad news. Bad news is they don't have any canoes. Yeah, like in the entire park.
Yeah.
And so anyway, we're just gonna go to this waterfall rapids area and go fishing and swimming there. We're just chilling right down by the rapids. Not sure if you can hear my audibleness, or I don't know if that's a word or not, whatever.
I'm also here. I'm a guest star, apparently.
Oh yeah, guest star.
Nope.
We're probably
And
probably about to just go eat some lunch and then do some fishing. When I got here, I realized that I only had like 20% battery power left. So the video is probably not going to be as long as I thought it was going to be. But I'm just trying to save my battery throughout the entire trip. So, whatever.
Watch this man not even have any hearts. I'm gonna die. Okay, go, Mom.
Never eating wet bacon again.
No.
Day 4, everyone. Just finished eating breakfast, or Evelyn's just finishing breakfast. It's just raining today, or dreary, everything, so we're probably just gonna head home, pack up everything, and, yeah.
Okay, so this kid says the word dreary.
Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you're not already a Choncho's World subscriber, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. And hit the like button, comment, all that good stuff. Once a week, every Friday at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So make sure you're always tuned for new videos that are coming out soon. And we'll see you next time.